What are recurring affiliate program and how does it help you to make more money? This is what we are going to learn today. Welcome back to another video of affiliate marketing by ShoutMeLoud. This is the third video in our series. This is an effort to educate more users about affiliate marketing and help them be their own boss. Now, many of you may not be knowing who I am. So I'm Harsh Agarwal. I started blogging 10 years back, and from last 1 decade, I've been a professional blogger. When I realized that with blogging, I can follow my passion and make money, that's where I made a mission that I would educate all other users to live that dream life. And I've been doing that from last 10 years with ShoutMeLoud, which has won numerous awards. And now I'm bringing the same stuff on YouTube because I believe that video convey message much better. So without further delay, let's go ahead and let's watch the third part of this series. All right, so we know how affiliate marketing works. You basically refer a user to a particular product. When a user make the purchase, you get a commission on it. This is usually one-time commission, and that's why it's called one-time affiliate program. But at the same time, there is another vertical of affiliate products which are called recurring affiliate programs. Now the difference here is, rather than getting paid only one time, you will be getting commission as long as the user remains a paying customer of the product. So let's understand this with an example. Social Pilot, which is a very popular social media tool. And when you refer a user to them, and every time user renew their subscription, be it monthly, be it yearly, you will get a commission, and the commission is as high as 30%. It's just one example. In recurring affiliate program, the commission range from 10% to 50%. And you keep getting commission for 1 year, 2 year, and in some cases, lifetime. And whatever niche you are in, there are chances there might be many recurring affiliate programs. Or if you're starting now, if you're new, you should definitely do some research and find out some of the best recurring affiliate program and see which one fits, which one align with your goal, which one aligns with your niche that you're looking into, and you should definitely make it part of your promotion strategy. Now, not necessarily every time recurring affiliate program are great, but it should be a healthy combination of one-time affiliate program and recurring affiliate program in the list of affiliate products that you promote. Because what happens is once you start accumulating users as a part of your recurring affiliate programs, you are certain that for the next 3 months or 6 months, you are going to make this much money. And just knowing this gives you an immense freedom to try many new stuff. Now in the next video, I'll help you understand some of the best recurring affiliate program that works in almost all the niche. Before we go, if you're not subscribed to our channel or if you have not seen my earlier videos, go back and do check out those videos. It will help you to learn more about affiliate marketing. In the upcoming video, we'll talk about link clocking, which is a very important topic and which will help you to manage your affiliate marketing way smarter. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. This is Harsh.